Welcome to Office 24 by 7. In today's session, we're going to explore two very important custom field types, Radio Button and Checkbox. The Radio Button field type is used when you want the user to select only one option from a set. It enforces exclusivity, meaning the user cannot select more than one choice at a time. This makes it perfect for capturing decisions or statuses that must be singular and non-overlapping. The Checkbox field type, on the other hand, is designed for scenarios where multiple options can be valid at the same time. It allows users to select one, several, or even all the options from the predefined list. This provides flexibility while still keeping the input structured and standardized. Let's see this in action. Here, in a sample object called Leads, I've set up a field called Lead Qualification using the Radio Button field type. In the configuration panel, you can see the options entered in the field value section. I've added three choices: hot, warm, and cold. The purpose of this field is to quickly categorize the quality of a lead and help sales teams prioritize their follow-ups. For example, it can be used in any sales or marketing process where you need to identify whether a lead is ready for immediate conversion, requires nurturing, or is unlikely to convert. You can always add more options if needed by pressing the Enter key and entering new values. Let's check how this reflects in the Objects panel. I'll open the Leads object, and here you can see the lead qualification field we configured. When I try to apply a value to this field, I'm restricted to choosing just one option, exactly as intended. To show you another use case, let's look at the Tickets object, where I've created a Radio Button field called Closure Reason with four options: Resolved, Duplicate, Out of Scope, and Customer Withdrawn. Here too, I can only select one reason at a time, which makes perfect sense because only one reason can be valid for closing a ticket. Now let's move on to the Checkbox field type. For this demonstration, I've created a field called Objections Raised. You can see the field values in the configuration panel. I've entered the following options: Budget Concern, Timeline Concern, Feature Concern, Competitor Comparison, and No Concerns. The purpose of this field is to record the different concerns a prospect might raise during the sales process. This is particularly useful for sales teams to understand recurring objections and tailor their approach accordingly. You can enter more values as needed, each on a new line. Now let's see how this looks in the Objects panel. I'll go back to the Leads object, and here's the field we configured. When I try to assign a value to it, you can see that I'm able to select multiple options at once, which gives a fuller picture of the objections raised. To demonstrate another scenario, let's check the Tickets object, where I've created a checkbox field called Troubleshooting Steps Performed. The available options are verified customer credentials, cleared cache/temporary files, tested in alternate browser/device, cross-checked with knowledge base, performed remote session, and replicated issue in test environment. Here again, I can select multiple values because in real-world cases, a ticket issue might need to pass through several troubleshooting steps before it can be closed. And that's how Radio Button and Checkbox fields function within your objects. Both field types bring structure, clarity, and consistency to your data management process.